NBA's most gangsta moment ever, face fire, you won't believe what happened. Eyes basketball. Some NBA moments are remembered for incredible shots. Some are remembered for legendary dunks. But every once in a while, there's a moment that has absolutely nothing to do with the scoreboard and everything to do with attitude. Fire. That's what makes the NBA's most gangsta moments so unforgettable. We're talking about those moments when a player refused to back down, stared down the pressure, walked into a heated situation without fear, or delivered a level of confidence that made everyone watching say, "Wait, did he really just do that?" Eyes. The NBA has never been short on personalities. Over the years, we've seen superstars show unbelievable confidence in the biggest moments. Sometimes it's a cold celebration after a huge play. Sometimes it's standing face-to-face with an opponent. And sometimes it's simply the way a player walks back down the court like absolutely nothing happened. That kind of confidence is what fans call gangsta, face with steam from nose. And the craziest part, these moments often happen when the pressure is at its highest. The crowd is going crazy. The opposing team is trying to intimidate you. Everyone is watching. And instead of showing fear, an NBA star turns the moment into a statement. That's what separates ordinary basketball moments from legendary ones. You can talk about statistics all day. You can talk about championships, MVP awards, scoring records, and all-star selections. But sometimes, one unforgettable moment tells you more about a player's personality than an entire season of basketball. The NBA has produced plenty of those moments. A player hitting a massive shot and calmly walking away. A superstar refusing to move when an opponent tries to intimidate him. A player celebrating directly in front of the opposing crowd. Or that classic moment when a player looks completely unfazed while everyone around him is losing their minds. Cold fire. Those are the moments that become part of NBA culture. Years later, fans still replay them. They become memes. They become viral clips. And they become stories that basketball fans tell over and over again. Because basketball isn't just about talent. It's about confidence. It's about mentality. And sometimes, it's about having the courage to stand your ground when everybody else expects you to back down. So here's the big question. Which NBA player had the most gangsta moment of all time? Eyes fire. Was it a superstar? A defensive enforcer? A clutch player? Or someone completely unexpected? Drop the player's name in the comments and tell us which moment deserves the crown. Basketball backhand. NBA has given us hundreds of legendary moments, but only a few were truly cold. Cold fire. Like the video, subscribe, and stay tuned for more unforgettable NBA moments, crazy stories, legendary plays, and basketball culture.